My name is Phillip Beningoso. I'm an investment professional, and I'm going to be discussing how to invest in overseas stocks. One of the basic tenets of successful investing is diversification, and diversifying means to invest in overseas type stocks, which can be international or global. International means to target a specific area of the world, and global means to have a more generalized portfolio of the whole world that is outside the country that you mainly live in. So if you live in the U.S. and you want to expand your portfolio, you can go into South America, you can go to the Pacific Rim, Asia countries, or you can go to Europe. So there's a lot out there to invest in, and a lot of these smaller markets give you an opportunity for success and greater potential than a lot of U.S. market. Let me give you a few basics here real quickly and some steps to the basics. Decide if you want someone first to handle your account. There's some knowledge and some research that's going to be required, and that's going to be important for you to be successful in international or global investing. 2 is to determine if you want to invest again internationally or globally in itself. 3 is if the idea of investing outside the U.S. gives you some anxiety, you want to talk to somebody about that and gain some additional knowledge, and they can really give you information that can make it easier for you and a better understanding and will help you want to invest overseas. Now, overseeing this type of an investment overseas with a professional. 1 is to put a professional money manager in charge. That can be done through a mutual fund or a manager. 2 is to decide whether to target, again, globally or international funds, okay, or types of baskets of investments. 3 is if you don't already have that mutual fund, you want to investigate different types of mutual funds. Don't just pick the same company that you normally have. Those can be loaded with the same types of investments. And once you've purchased the fund shares, pay attention to those funds and see what kind of returns you've gained from those funds. Now, if you're interested in doing this by yourself, you want to find out which firms or brokerage firms carry these types of investments. 2 is even if you aren't able to buy overseas stocks, you may purchase ADRs, which are shares held by banks that can have different types of tax consequences. And this can be important for international investing. Again, Coca-Cola is a type of a company that's an American-based company but has a tremendous amount of international exposure. That's another way of investing internationally. The information provided here is for informational purposes only and should not be considered an individualized recommendation or personalized investment advice. Any investments or strategies mentioned here may not be suitable for everyone. My name is Phillip Beningoso, and I'm an investment professional.